find as he goes. I need to find him. Now, he'll be back in the views in a minute. I'll go down low so I can see him. Here we go. These are called crop dusters. There are two of these planes out just cropping around and dusting crops by air. This is the most amazing sight you can see living in a rural country. Let's see if we can. Oh, here he comes. Wow, check that out. Isn't that great? Now let's see if we can get him as he's going down. Hopefully I can. Let's see. Sorry about the car noise in the background. Oh, that's awesome! Woohoo! And he will come back in a few ticks. Just give him time. There is actually two out here dusting. I don't know. Unless we can get the other, pick up the other one. There he is. That's the other one. That's the second one. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. It's just this quick video on crop dusting. It is exciting to watch. I do love watching them each year. I don't know about you guys, you may think it's a bit boring, but wow, this is exciting. Watch this. Here we go, guys. He's coming back again for another trip. Hopefully he'll fly straight over us. Will he fly straight over? Watch. Where is he? Oh, I've lost him. No, he's down on the... We get past the tree. Watch him take off again. Oh. Oh, I can watch these all day, but I know I have to get home. Right, thanks for watching the Hoppers Down Under. I hope you enjoyed this bit of afternoon entertainment just like I have. It's the best thing ever. Watching these guys working so hard to keep crops going for our farmers. He's just sitting on top of that wheat. Oh, check it out. I'm sorry I sound excited, but boy, I am excited. And over the tree he went. All right, thanks guys.